Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as usual, today we're here with a new movie, which is a Malayalam movie that's been gaining a lot of recognition right now, which is none other than the movie Malik, which features a great set of cast, but primarily having Fahad Fasil, Nimisha Sajan, and Vinay Fort in the lead roles. This movie is directed, written, and edited by the same person who is Mahesh Narayanan, who is also known for his other movies like Take Off and See You Soon. Malik is his most recent project, and this movie is not just gaining popularity in Kerala but the whole of India. So let's take a look at why that is. The title of the movie is Malik, which means Lord, Ruler, or Chief. It is an Arabic word which quite literally translates to the king. And of course, this movie talks about Sulaiman or Alika, who becomes the leader of Ramadapalli, and quite literally this movie is about his story. We see how Alika is preparing to go for Hajj, but instead is taken to the police station and put him behind the bars. The entire police force seems very much motivated to somehow kill him and make it look like a suicide. The movie focuses on why all of this happens and how he reaches here, which you will have to see the movie to figure out. Now, speaking about the themes, the most predominant theme in this movie is about politics and corruption. The movie also focuses on religion, interfaith love story, close friendship, and also how sometimes we all become a puppet of some or the other superior force or power. This movie's cast is something that I fell in love with. Although it features a lot of popular stars, what stood out for me was the supporting cast that did a magnificent job. It didn't matter if they just had one small line in the movie, but their acting was brilliant. That being said, there were so many who didn't have a dialogue but also added so much value to the screen. We do know that Jojo, Dilish Pothan, Vinay Ford, Nimisha Sajan, and Fahad Fasils are actors that has proved themselves again and again and showed all of us that they are tremendously talented. But for me, my favorite combination was Vinay Ford and Fahad Fasil. Although we talk a lot about how Fahad acts through his eyes, I felt that this movie marks another greater level of his performance. I don't think I need to explain, but these five did an amazing job, but it's only because of an amazing supporting cast that this movie truly became a success. Now, coming to my most favorite element of this movie, which is cinematography done by Sanu John Burgess. I mean, I can go on and on about this man. If you watch this movie, the first 13 minutes of this movie is an uncut one flow scene, which shows so much about the quality of the movie. We get to learn so much in those 13 minutes. I mean, we get to know about his life, Sulaiman's relations, what's exactly happening at that moment, the politics, and of course his power. Trust me, this is nothing less than mind-blowing, and this was definitely a movie that was supposed to come out in the theaters with an amazing audience that could see this beautiful talent on the big screen. Man, you deserve a lot of respect. Now, coming to the other portion which also wowed me was the music, which is done by Sushant Shyam. Now, this man again uplifts the entire movie with his music. Though this is a very long movie of 2 hours 42 minutes, trust me, the music maintains the thrill and keeps us going. The BGM, the songs are all worth mentioning. Now, coming to the mastermind of this movie, Mahesh Narayanan, who not just directed but also wrote and edited this movie. Malik is all about its beautiful storytelling. He takes a different route in explaining the story through 3 flashbacks done by 3 different people. The first is Alika's mother, second being through David, his best friend, and the third through him himself. What I like about this storytelling is that it shows 3 different points of views of the same incident that's happened. And that's kind of refreshing for story. I also think it was really brilliant of Mahesh to bring this 14 days time period for the police to get Alika killed, because having a reverse time crunch in the movie always gives a thrill to the audience to know what's gonna happen next. So friends, for me, Malik is not just amazing because of one particular thing, but it's a combination of every small little thing that worked well for this movie, and also it gives a tremendous great message of how sometimes all the cruel things we do is not because of lack of humanity, but because sometimes we're just mere puppets of a superior power. You know, though Malik was supposed to be a theatrical release, unlike other movies that lose its charm on OTT platforms, I think Malik still maintained its level of greatness. This movie truly wowed me on so many levels, and hence I would give it 4 stars out of 5, and I would truly say that it's a must watch. Do watch it if you haven't already. And with that, I come to the ending of my review of Malik. If you guys have any requests of movies that you'd like me to review in this format, then don't forget to comment down in the comment box. And yeah, hopefully you can see a video of that pretty soon. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much once again. With lots of love, your storyteller. Bye.